Hello everyone, this is how to make a platformer in Construct 3. So first make your project, which I already have. Now, if you don't know how to create a project, I can show you. So first, click on search Construct 3 in your tab, click on Construct 3. Next, launch Construct 3. Be loading for quite a while, so you can wait. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yep, you're in now. So just press the guided tool. There. Create new project. You can call it anything, but I'll call it platformer. There. If you want to be using pixel art, you can optimize for pixel art, but if you don't want to, then yeah. So yeah, correct. I'm in the create scene. First, right click and press create new object. Scroll down until you find sprite. Click on it. Double click. Now this is what it's going to be. Just click anywhere. Now it's time to draw your character. Yeah. This will take a while. So you just have to see me. Okay, that's my player. Done. Now I can exit while moving. Hold shift so it can be perfect size. Now, place my character right here. Now, make a new sprite. Insert right here. This time this will be our ground. You can fill it just with anything, but I want it to be lovely grass, so put that there. I go in here, add some wavy pattern, and then fill. Ta-da! Dirt block. Now exit. You can fatten this as much as you want. Now stretch. There. I'll right click it. Edit. No, not edit. Right click. And add the behavior. Now press solid. Now go into player. Add behavior. There should be 8 directions. Yeah, platform. There. Now you can press this button up here to test it. Ta-da! Well, to make it a bit more. Now, the second object we're going to make is a platform that you can jump through, but you can still land on it. Go into Sprite again. I'll put it right here. Now, I will make this one blue. Gonna resize it. There. Now, right click it, add a behavior, and choose jump through. There. You can duplicate it with Colon-C. Now when we play, ta-da! Oops. I guess I need to lower this down a bit. Oops. There. That's test. Jump on here. Jump on here. Ta-da! Now make one more object, which will be a spike got up here I cannot touch. Sprite, insert, right here. Now use the line tool to make oops, that's quite big. Maybe that bit. There. I fill in. Well, there's still some extras, so I'm just gonna fill that in with the line tool. There. Exit. Hold shift again to lower it down. There. Now go under an event sheet. And press up here, add event. Go on sprite next. It's on collision with another object, the spike. Then the action will be that your player so that's visible to invisible. Also, the player is gonna scroll down. Oh, yeah. Just delete that other one, just use destroy. Now we can play. You can see I can move around. I touch the spike. Okay, it gets removed. Thank you everyone for watching this short tutorial about how to make a platformer. See you in the next one. Bye everyone. Do 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 do.